We have seen how to implement the patrol and chase functionality in the previous videos. In this video, we will add attack functionality to the enemy AI. In this scene, we have a player and enemy. If the player comes within the attack range, the enemy will start attacking the player. If the player goes out of the attack range, then the enemy goes back to chasing. In the animation tab, I have a simple attack animation. In the enemy controller script, I have added attacking in AI state. I have also added some variable for attack state. In the start function, attack time is assigned in time to attack. In the switch statement, in case AI state is chasing, if the distance to the player is less than attack range, then current state is attacking. In case the AI state is attacking, first move the enemy phase toward the player. Decrease time to attack by time dot delta time. If the time attack is 0 or less than 0, then trigger the attack animation and also check the attack range. Now you can see that attacking functionality is working. In next video, we will add health and do damage functionality. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment down below.